Good evening, Caldwell Heights parents and families. Welcome to another school year. We are excited about welcoming our students back for our 2021-2022 school year. I am Miss Montalvo, and I am the principal here at Caldwell Heights Elementary. And I'd like to introduce you to the rest of my team that's with me today.
Hi, Caldwell Heights. My name is Elisa Medrano, and I am one of the assistant principals here at Caldwell Heights. I'm going into my second year here as an Eagle, and I'm really excited to be here. Thank you.
Hi, Caldwell Heights. My name is Heather Keebler-Carberg. I am a first-year assistant principal here with my wonderful team, and previous to that, I've been the instructional coach here for about 3 years.
Hi, Caldwell Heights. My name is Kate Gallinat. I'm your parent liaison. This is my 4th year here as parent liaison at Caldwell Heights, and good to see you all this.
We are very, very happy that you were able to join us this evening for our open house night this evening. I wanted to start us off by just letting you know that Caldwell Heights is a Title I campus. And what that means is that we get additional funds from the federal government that help us purchase and buy resources for our students, and also help us pay for staff, additional staff that help our students in all areas of their academics. Knowing that we are a Title I campus, I wanted to also let you know the way that that is determined is based on the number of our students that qualify for free and reduced lunch. That is one of the reasons why we ask for everyone to please attempt to try to fill out that lunch application so that we could make sure that we are capturing all of the students that do qualify for free and reduced lunch that will help fund our additional staff members here on campus and additional funds that we use for resources. So welcome to Caldwell Heights. Now over to my parent liaison. She's going to talk to you a little bit about her role here on our campus.
All right, thank you. I just want to talk a little bit about family engagement here at Caldwell Heights. First of all, Title I funding mandates that 1% of our funding go toward family engagement. And why? Well, this is because family engagement is the leading predictor of students' academic success, regardless of family, race, socioeconomic status, ethnicity, or cultural background. So it's so important. So thank you for being here. My role here at Caldwell Heights as parent liaison is to connect you to the learning going on in the classroom. So if you watch your emails, watch our website, teacher communication, you'll see opportunities to connect to classroom learning, whether it be through strategies learned in the classroom, parent groups, academic nights. You'll see lots of opportunities to plug in and be engaged with our Caldwell Heights family.
So just one last thank you for being here tonight. I hope you enjoy our virtual open house, and I hope to see you all soon. See you later.